Hello guys, today our topic is what is VPN? What are the benefits of using VPN? Why do you need VPN service? So in this video I will talk about all these things. So let's begin. So if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Since everyone in the world is connected to the public network or the internet, there is a risk that the privacy of information will be leaked. Because there is a risk of privacy leaks when exchanging information directly using the internet. VPN is the safest way to connect to your own network using the internet. This method creates an imaginary tunnel on the internet to connect users and private networks. A virtual private network, VPN, gives you online privacy and anonymity by creating a private network from a public internet connection. VPNs mask your internet protocol IP address so your online actions are virtually untraceable. Most important, VPN services establish secure and encrypted connections to provide greater privacy than even a secured Wi-Fi hotspot. There are several ways to connect to a virtual private network. You can use some popular software, or you can access the VPN information from the control panel. Why do you need a VPN service? Surfing the web or transacting on an unsecured Wi-Fi network means you could be exposing your private information and browsing habits. That's why a private network, better known as VPN, should be a must for anyone concerned about their online security and privacy. Think about all the times you have been on the go, reading emails while in the line at the coffee shop or checking your bank account while waiting at the doctor's office. Unless you are logged into a private Wi-Fi network that requires a password, any data transmitted during your online session could be vulnerable or eavesdropping by the strangers using the same network. The encryption and anonymity that a VPN provides helps protect your online activities like sending emails, shopping online, or paying bills. VPNs also keep your web browsing anonymous. VPN service can be free or premium. Open VPN with free VPN network. Some VPN networks also offer both free and premium services. However, in the case of free accounts, limited access is allocated so that a certain amount of bandwidth can be used. Benefits of using VPN. Number 1. No one can track the location. Number 2. For extra security. Number 3. It hides your IP. Number 4. Visiting blocked sites in ISP. In other words, you can visit any site blocked in ISP, your internet service provider. For example, YouTube is now closed in the country. You can use it with VPN if you want. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.